not too long ago to bring this product to you. Fusion by DropMock. But more importantly, I have the man of the hour, the CEO of DropMock. Okay, the man that knows everything, the man that will explain what I cannot, but will also teach you things that you've never seen about DropMock, Jamie Ohler. Jamie, say hello to the crowd.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me, Dean? This is so exciting, man. I get to hang out with Dean the Machine and Dan the Man.
Yes,
are you kidding me?
do.
This is fantastic. This is going to be so much fun.
Man, I am so excited for you all. Welcome in, Glenna, welcome in, Avi, welcome in. Everyone, let me know who you are and where you are from over in the chat box right now so that we can get this started. Warren, good to see you from my Florida. New Orleans in the house. Austin, Texas, Clearwater, Houston, good to see you, David. Good to see you. Good to see you, everyone who is jumping in right now. Okay, so the killer combination, DropMock, VideoRemix. I'm VideoRemix. Jamie's on the line. He is DropMock. So what we are going to do is this, okay? We are going to walk you through the product. Jamie's going to help us walk through the product, answer questions, get you to understand all the capabilities of DropMock. And then after, we will do a Q&A session. So I know you may have questions, but put them over in the chat box. And I am super excited to bring Jamie on right now. Jamie, you're ready for this, my friend?
I am ready to rumble.
All right, sounds good. So I'm going to make you the presenter right now. All right, Jamie, it's all on you, my friend.
Oh my goodness, let me grab this right here like that and go like this. What happened there? Let's go like that. And I can show my screen. Yeah, Listerine. Hey, who can see my screen? Anybody can see my screen? Give me a quick 777 if you can see my screen. And it says Fusion by DropMock. Who's ready for this? I don't know if you guys are ready for this. I don't see. Oh, there comes the sevens. There they are. Jenny and David and Sandy and Patricia, Warren. What is going on, Sarah? There's Glenna. Glenna, what are you up to? Warren, see, this is awesome. I love this. So, first off, I want to say thank you to Dean and Dan for having me over here today. This is a very, very exciting day here for DropMock. As many of you are well aware, DropMock has been around for about 3 years now, developing software, SaaS solutions over and over again for your business, for your company to get out there in the marketplace and set yourself apart from everybody else. And as you see right here, here's a prime example. That's a video in Venice that you're seeing right now. That's the Venice, Italy airport. And my logo, my sign, Fusion by DropMock, is in the Venice, Italy airport. Are you kidding me? How in the world is that possible? Well, it's because of the technology we started building 3 years ago. And now 3 years later, we have 8 softwares, okay, that we have inside of the DropMock admin area. And I'm going to introduce that to you today. We have 2 brand new technologies that have never been released until today that I'm going to share with you. And just really going to dive into this and just show you exactly what the heck's going on here. So who's excited to see this full moon in Capricorn? What is that, Sarah? Full moon in Capricorn. Okay, I like it. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I want to just start this off real quick, if you don't mind. And I know, Dean, one of the main things you want to really dive into is our Fusion store. Do you want me to go into that first, or you kind of want me to just roll it?
I need people to understand how awesome this store actually is and how they can take full advantage of this actual store. So I would love for you to start right there, Jamie. Please start right there, my friend.
Yep, then let's do this. Let me bring up the actual store. All right, let's do that. All right, so let me explain the store to you first. That's I guess the important piece of the puzzle. How many of you on here right now are shiny object gurus? Give me a 777 if you're a shiny object guru. Most people say, what is it, shiny object syndrome? I don't think that. I believe that where I'm at today is because I've bought so many products and I've taken training from so many marketers. By buying those shiny objects, I've become somebody that has a skill set that allows me to be in this position today. So each and every one of you, as you're buying those shiny objects, I hope you're going in there and taking the training because you're increasing your skill set, right? How many of you are shiny object gurus? Give me a 777. Go on. I'm the worst, says Dale. Yeah, Armando, 777. Ward, Avi, you know it. We all do it, okay? We all do that. The important thing is you can walk away with new software that you can use for your company and the training. So I was deciding, we developed this store for the first time. We started about a year ago, okay? It's been a work in progress here. And we released the first version of this back in October of last year, 2017, all right? And we learned from our customers and everybody, you know, what worked, what didn't work, what they needed, where we needed to go. So then late December, we launched our second version. And once again, we learned from all of our customers and everybody what we needed, what we didn't need, things that we needed to add. And today we're releasing the brand new culmination of a year's worth of experience and learning where we're going with this. And I literally call it the Internet Marketing Superstore. And it really is. There's nothing like this on the marketplace today. This store is 100% what you need in your arsenal today. This is not like any other store that you've purchased or been given as bonuses or anything like that. This is a store that we are investing in heavily now and into the future. Where we're going with this is something special. When I share with you what's in the back end here, you're literally your jaw's gonna drop. It's going to. So I really need to have a disclaimer. This is a health disclaimer. I'm warning you right now that you need to keep your hands underneath your chin. If your chin accidentally drops and hits your desk, it's not my fault. I'm warning you now. Is everybody cool with that? Dean, are you cool with that? I need to make sure everybody's good with this because
yeah, Jamie, I'm cool with that.
Okay. All right. This is important, guys. I'm telling you, because this is unreal. So this DropMock Internet Marketing Superstore is going to allow you to display your templates for businesses to purchase without you ever having to talk to them first. Okay. And I want to, before I do anything and show you all the nuts and bolts of this, what I want to do is I want to show you my favorite piece of the puzzle. This is the puzzle that why this store came into fruition anyway, okay? Because we all have this problem. We all buy these different video programs. We have all these different softwares and everything like that. And we have no way of sharing with the business something we've created other than putting a watermark and sending them the video or uploading it to YouTube, and then it has ads after it, and they can potentially go to a YouTube downloader and download the YouTube video. It's crazy. So the number one feature that I want to show you first, it's called featured. So within DropMock, when you have your account for, Fusion by DropMock, you're going to have 70 templates, okay? It's just a sick amount of templates. You're going to be able to go in there and create, you're going to be able to choose a business, any business you want, okay? Actually, let me ask you guys, somebody put your city and state into the chat box. Give me a city and state. Come on, give me a city and state that you're in. Austin, Texas, there, Glenna, I know Glenna, that's great. So Glenna, let's do this. And I know you've seen me do this, but I want to just show you guys, so watch. Facebook, we're going to go Austin, Texas, okay? And let's do lawyers, all right? Lawyers in Austin, Texas. So I'm gonna come here to pages, and let's just say I wanted to work with Austin Carazelis. Austin Carazelis, okay? Here's what I would do. I would grab some content from Austin's page here. I'd bring it into DropMock and I'd create a video. I would automatically push that video to my store, all right? And let's just pretend this is the video that I created for Austin, all right? Now I can go ahead and I can come here. I can grab this link. I can send it to Austin with his pre-made, already done video, and I'm going to send it to him via Facebook Messenger or to his email saying, hey, Austin, just created you an awesome video for your business. Come and take a look at it. Go ahead and buy it right there, and we'll go ahead and make any edits and changes that you want. Austin has never received an email like that in his history of his business. He's never seen a video done before. People are trying to sell Austin over and over again on $500, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 videos, and there's no output. You're going to send it to him because it's so easy to do inside of DropMock. Couple clicks of your mouse, add some photos, add a video, add some text, create the video. 5 minutes later, you have the video. You send him the link, and he's able to come here, click add to cart. Oh, I already have it in the cart. That's why. So I already have it in the cart, and I can go ahead and proceed to checkout. Let me get rid of some of these. I don't want to buy all these. Unless you guys want me to spend $800 on this webinar. I don't want to do that. I hope you guys are cool with that. All right, so here we go. And this one here. And literally, Austin can proceed to checkout. He can pay via PayPal to your PayPal account. You get money into your account. 100% of that money is 100% yours. And now you have that money in your PayPal account, all because you logged in, created a video for Austin, you sent it to him, you sent the link, and he purchased. How many of you would love to have the ability to create a video on the fly, couple clicks of your mouse, add some photos, add some text, and then send it directly to the business and have them purchase? How many of you would like that? Give me some sevens in the chat box. Aaron's already saying yes. I need some sevens. Sarah says the bomb. You know it, Warren. 777, Avi, Glenna. Awesome. You know it. And listen, that's my favorite piece, but that's not everything. This store is unlike any. Warren says no brainer. You know it, man. It's unbelievable. And if anybody actually, so Glenna, hey, listen, if you ever need an attorney, go to Austin and tell him I sent you and see if he'll send me a referral commission. All right, let's do this. So now I want to go and I want to show you the meat of this store, okay? I'm going to come to customize. This store is 100% customizable to you, your business, your look, your logos, your colors, everything. And guess what? We've made it so simple for you to customize this thing. All right, now watch this. All I'm going to do, watch this. We have all of these different variations that you can do. So let's go Yeti real quick, see what Yeti looks like. Automatically just creates it. Boom, let's go to superhero because Dean is my superhero.
Yes, right? Sir.
Yes, you are.
Jamie, I have a question for you. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but is this on WordPress or how is this hosted?
Yes, this is on WordPress. It's a, you're going to get the theme. It's created by us. It's 100%. The code is written by our team, okay, from scratch.
Okay, nice.
You're gonna buy a domain name, or you may already have one. You're gonna get a hosting account for $8, $10, $15 a month. Okay, you have to get a hosting account, and you're gonna upload this theme to your hosting account. Now, I will say this: we have tested all the major hosting providers. GoDaddy, 1&1, HostGator, those of you that know GVO, and we've come to the determination that there's so many variations out there that we've created a document that we're going to give you as well, so you can give it to their support people saying, hey, I need to make sure I buy the hosting that does this, and they'll tell you which package. That being said, we have a company that we're working with. We're not affiliated with them. We don't make any commissions off of them or anything like that, but we have a hosting company that has packages set up exclusively for these stores, okay? But you go with whatever hosting company you want, but just know that because this store is so powerful, you have to have specific things there, specific criteria for your hosting. But understand this, If you're not technically savvy or anything like that about it, don't worry about it. We give you the information, okay? So all you have to do is send it to their support. And then look at this. You can change, and I mean, this logo it's your logo. You change it to whatever you want. And of course, you want it to be PNG transparent. This is just white because of the template that we use. Okay, you can change all the font, everything. See that? It's just so simple. You can change all the words. You can change everything, the pricing, the descriptions. You can actually put ads on your store so you can have monthly revenue coming in because of the traffic you're generating by people coming to your store. Now, I want to go back to the front because I want to show you a couple other things here. Yes, I want to leave. On the storefront, we have the About page already created for you. It's beautiful. All you do is go in there and add your content. The Contact Us page, absolutely gorgeous. Looks fantastic. This is a professional grade e-commerce platform that you're going to be able to use. Now, here's my second favorite piece of the puzzle. The blog is already built for you. You don't have to figure out how to configure the blog and everything like that. It's already done, okay? What we're going to teach you during the training portion of this, not today, after the launch, we're going to teach you how to blog to generate new business, okay? We're going to show you how to use this store to generate new business to the store. So the store is going to be a self-feeding machine for you. It's going to be unbelievable what you're going to be able to do with this once you get it set up and rocking. Okay, now, where we're going with this is, let me go inside of DropMock so I can show you exactly what we're talking about here. I'm going to go into your dashboard for your store, okay? Your store is 100% fed automatically, basically through an API, if you know what that means, through an API from your DropMock account. So those of you that get the store are going to be able to log in to your store manager inside of DropMock. All right. Now, this is right here. Remember, I gave you the health warning to hold your chin. What I'm about ready to show you is where your chin's going to drop. So hold on a second. Everybody, put your hands under your chin, and I won't ask for 777s. Inside of your store manager, you're able to choose any of the templates that you have inside of DropMock. So image mockups, video mockups, Facebook ads, Facebook headers, kinetic, any stuff that you create for businesses featured, and you're able to automatically push it to your store. Okay, so if I wanted to do videos, I'm going to go ahead and choose videos, and the videos are going to pop up that are in your database, in your account, and you're going to be able to push them to your store. Okay, same with let's just say the HD commercials from Kinetic. You want to create video commercials for businesses. You can display these on your store. Now pause, here it comes. We've also integrated with 3 of the top companies out there. Guess what one of them is? It's called VideoRemix. How many of you are VideoRemix customers? Give me a 777. You guys ever hear that company, VideoRemix?
They better all be video remixers. Yes, Sarah. Good seeing you. Patrick, Gary, Avi. Nice, nice.
Yes, so we're finalizing right now. Look at this. I want to show you this. So here's Designo Pro 2. All right. You do not see VideoRemix in here right now because we're finalizing things with Eugene, the programming, and with my guy, Amr. They're finalizing the final connections, and then VideoRemix is going to be right here. And you're going to be able to do the same identical thing. Look at Designo Pro. I click on Designo Pro, and I'm able to pull everything that Designo Pro has. I'm able to pull that into my store and display it on my store. You have Usign, you're able to click on Usign and be able to pull everything you have in Usign into your store. You have VideoRemix, you're able to click on VideoRemix and pull what you have in VideoRemix into your store. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in history, we're putting together an internet marketing superstore. We're literally stopping the madness of all these vendors creating all these different sites where I have to have a site for Designo Pro, a site for Usign, a site for VideoRemix, a site for Video Robot, a site for Easy Magic Video, a site for all of these. We're stopping that. We're just done with the mess. What we're doing is we're establishing this store as the go-to store in this marketplace. You are about ready to get your hands on the most powerful internet marketing e-commerce store available today. Dean, are you fired up? I need to hear it.
Fired up. Yes, I am fired up. I got to stay on this mute with you, Jamie. Yes, I am fired up. And the crowd is fired up also.
Let me just take a sip of water. I'll be right back with you guys. Hold on. So this is what I'm talking about here. This store is revolutionary, and here's what's great about it. First off, and I'm just going to shoot straight. I hope you're cool with this, Dean. It's 97 bucks, guys. It's dirt cheap, nothing. Okay. For me, I don't know how many of you know me or not, but I'm big into the real estate video business. I've been doing it since 2005. Real estate agents that deal with me, they know that if they want me to do a website, it's $1,500. Brokerages, it's $3,000. You're getting a store in this industry that we're all in, this internet marketing industry, okay, working with business owners to provide them services in the local market, regional market, state market, or national market, whichever you're doing. Right now, what we're doing is we're positioning this store for you so you can dominate. There's no other video company in your local, regional, state level that's going to be able to compete with you. You have technology at your fingertips that no other company has. Nobody. There's not one out there. And I'll tell you how I know, because we're the ones that are first to ever do this store. So you guys are the first to ever experience this, to be able to get your hands on this, and you get it for 97 bucks. Are you kidding me? That's unbelievable. And that's, listen, you get lifetime upgrades. It's just a one-time fee, and you get upgrade after upgrade. And we have it built into the store that all you have to do is click a couple buttons. When we do the next upgrade, you click a couple buttons, automatically upgrades it for you. It's unreal what we've done here. This is not some just put together store. Where we're going with this store down the road, we already have the next version mapped out, planned out, ready to go. And the schedule for that is sometime September, October time, where that next version is going. And it is unreal, with new vendors being added all the time. And those of you that get on board during the launch are not going to have to pay for the API fees for the new vendors that we bring in. So for example, and I can't commit to this because we don't have it done yet, but we're working with Paul Pana about the video robot. We're trying to get video robot into here. It's not a done deal yet, so don't count on it, but I'm just telling you, we're working with other vendors to bring their software in here. So let me explain what we're doing on that. We're not allowing fly-by-night. I launch a product, 3 months later, I'm launching something new. 3 months later, I'm launching something new, and they don't support it. We're only bringing to the table high quality supported vendors. For example, VideoRemix. VideoRemix is a partner of ours that we work with. We work with on a daily basis. We know them. We like them. We love them. Their support team is awesome. Their programmers are awesome. We know that they're going to support their software and continue to evolve it. So we want that type of technology into your store. What does that mean for you? It means that you know without a shadow of a doubt that you have a store that you can grow with long term. It's just extremely powerful, Dean. I love it, man.
I am super impressed because of course, I mean, you're the king of DropMock. I didn't know all of this stuff. So everyone that is seeing this, their mind should actually be blown by this. I mean, really, really just blown, because I love that idea that you said, Jamie. So the thing is that we always teach a lot of time the open loop process, right? Which is you do something for someone, but now what they're able to do is they could do that for them and have it where they can just send them the buy link without having to have a conversation with them. I love that fact. I mean, how great is that, Jamie? I love. What was your thought process behind that? Can you kind of explain that?
You're darn right, I can. It's because it was the challenge that I was having. Okay, so let me just take a step back real quick. And Dale, I'm going to answer that question in just a moment, okay? I've been in the trenches just like you guys for years, okay? My role and what I do now on a daily basis is different, so I'm not in the trenches like I used to be. But I used to do this. I used to create videos, and I would send them to businesses to get them to buy videos from me, okay? And I would do carpet cleaning videos because carpet cleaners are just an easy sell. They have all kinds of money. They're normally mom and pop shops. It's Bob and Sally's Carpet Cleaning, unless they're a franchise or something like that, like Stanley Steamer or whatever. But I would always go after the independent guys. And I would be sending them, just like I said, YouTube links or whatever. And a lot of times I would use my own real estate video platform to send them stuff, but it never would convert for me, okay? And I found the more I started tweaking, so literally I created my own version of what you're seeing today, very rudimentary, just a way that I could upload a video, and it had this really basic lead capture. I could display the video and lead capture, and they could buy it. It was very, I don't know, copy paste type of stuff, type of thing. It wasn't really good, but it started getting me sales. It started getting businesses buying from me because it was its own place. It wasn't YouTube. It wasn't my real estate video platform. It seemed like it was a valuable, something that the business owner could see, oh yeah, I want this, and they could buy it right there. So it was actually from experience that I actually did this. The store itself was thought up, not by me. This is something that Lee was doing before I took over as CEO. And then once I realized that, when I became CEO and the store was in my hands, I wanted this feature put into it because I knew it was the challenge that I had. And the only way I overcame that challenge was to come up with what I did. And that's when I started receiving sales. And that's what I want to emphasize to you guys. Use that. Go in there, create a video for a business, push it to your store, grab the link and send it to them. And I'm telling you what, if you do that 5 times a day, I am telling you, you are going to make sales to businesses. It's just the law of averages. That's all it is. It's that simple, man.
Jamie, that is truly, truly incredible. So for people who are just jumping in, okay, let me explain this to you. So we actually went a little bit backwards on this one, okay? So what we're doing is we're explaining the store because the importance of the store cannot be ignored, okay? It is your one-stop shop to put all of your actual video products on, and it's already done for you. So we're explaining this a little bit backwards. I put the link in there for you all that are actually getting in. Jamie, can I go over the bonuses that they're going to get really quick, and then we'll continue. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sounds good. So let me just take over this screen really quick and show you all these bonuses because we are a combination. You know what I mean? This is a combo here. We want to give you the best of DropMock, and we also want to give you the best of VideoRemix, okay? So going to these bonuses now, this is going to be crazy, okay? So this is what's going to actually happen. When you purchase this store, what we are going to give you as a special bonus is this. You are going to receive 3 bonus kinetic templates. Now, remember, we actually have an API into DropMock, so you're going to be able to sell those templates also, okay? And then what we are doing, which is crazy, I mean, absolutely insane, is we are going to do a personalized training with you. We are going to walk you through, it is actually going to be done on Monday. We are going to walk you through how to put packages together. Packages for $1,000, packages for $2,500, packages for $5,000. We're going to walk you through how you're going to mix and mingle the products that you have from VR, okay, from VideoRemix also, okay, with DropMock to put these amazing packages together. But don't forget, the greatest part about it is now you have a storefront. You don't need to worry about putting up a website or anything like that because he is actually giving you one. So when you all are in, you have to put your transaction ID over in the chat box. And what I'm going to do is immediately send you the link for that training webinar, okay? So just to go over this, all right? On this bonus, you are going to receive 3 bonus kinetic templates, okay? And you are also going to receive personalized training on how to make it all work, put those packages together. So Jamie, I will, as people are getting in, I will answer any questions and I'll give it back to you. How does that sound?
Yeah. And just real quick, if you guys could check on the link, I guess some people are having a problem with the link there.
Yeah, let me, I'm going to send another link over right now, over in the chat box right now. Try this link right here. Once you are in, don't forget, put your transaction ID. You are going to get immediate access to that training class. You're not going to have to wait. Call customer service, contact customer support, anything like that. I am going to give you that link, okay? So just to go over those bonuses one more time, all right? 3 bonus kinetic templates, over $1,500 worth of value, personalized, that you're going to be able to use, okay? And then we are going to give you the training, which is going to be on Monday, on how you put all of this together so you could go out there and you could start making money immediately off of your purchase, all right? So, Jamie, I'm going to hand it back over to you, and I'll help everyone else over in the chat box.
Yes, sir. Okay, so are you going to pass the screen back to me, or?
Yeah, I'm about to pass it back to you right now, my friend.
Yeah, you are. You're like a quarterback. Like you're like John Elway is what I'm going to start calling.
It's a team game.
Okay, so listen, I just want to emphasize something real quick here. This store, I'm extremely proud of. Okay, it is something that is so special in this marketplace, and I'm so proud of each and every one of you for making the investment to grab this for your company. It's really going to separate you from the crowd. It's really, and the cool thing about it is the way you're going to be able to customize it. Okay, everything you're going to be able to do truly makes it your own. And that is something that's very, very important out there in the marketplace, that you have a site that you can be proud of, that you're excited to have people come to that website. You're excited to give your business card out and people be able to go and take a look at your site. Your marketing efforts are going to change. Your advertising is going to change. Your Facebook ads are going to change. Okay, you're going to want to drive traffic to your website now. Why? Because you're going to have business owners navigating around your store. Let's just go here. They're gonna, that's actually DropMock. I want to go to the store. I'm gonna go back to the store. Okay, here we are. So at the store, you're gonna have business owners coming here, and let's just say on the blog, all right? And you guys are gonna get training by us as well on the store. Let me emphasize that, just by buying it, you're getting all that training from Dean too, but we're giving you training on the store. We're gonna help you walk through all this stuff. One of the things I'm really gonna focus on is the blog, okay? The importance of having fresh, relevant, new content on your website is vitally important to the long-term growth of your company and the amount of visitors and traffic that you're getting to your store, to any website, not just a store. All right. So we're going to teach you how to, in a very simple way, utilize this blog to how do I say it? What's the word? Perpetuate? What is? It's gonna self-feed itself new traffic every single month. I don't even know what the word is I'm trying to look for. But any of the linguists that are on here, if you figure out what word I was trying to say, that would be wonderful. But this blog right here, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. You're gonna do let's just say you do a video for Sally's hair salon, all right? And honestly, Sally's probably one of the best hair salonists around, so you definitely want to do a video for her. You do a video for Sally, and Sally loves it. She pays you, let's just say $500. Okay, great. You made $500 for, let's just say it took you an hour total to grab all the assets, to grab the video content, to grab the photos, to come up with the text and everything. All right, took you an hour. You make $500. How many of you on here are cool if you create a video, 1, 2, 3, step 1, step 2, step 3, and you walk away with $500? Is that cool? Give me a quick 7. Perpetual. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about, Omar. Thank you, sir. How many are cool with making $500 if it took you an hour to do a video? Come on, give me a 777 in the chat box. I need to see it. Okay, so Warren, Gary, David, Avi, Neil, Peter, Contact Global Health. I don't see your first name, but I think you know who I'm talking about. It says Contact Global. All of you guys, David, Robert, Jenny, everybody. All right. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take that video, you're going to do a blog post about it and say, hey guys, Sally Smith's hair salon in Lexington, Kentucky just did a great video. Have a look at this. Here in Lexington, Kentucky, you know, there's so many hair salons that you could choose from. And here are the top 5 reasons I want you to at least take a look at Sally. And boom, 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 here's Sally does this, and she knows how to color, and she knows how to do your nails, and she knows how to do your toes, and she knows how to get the stuff off your elbows when they're crusty. Great. I'm going to go use Sally. You publish that. Sally is going to push that link out on her social media because you're praising her. And guess who Sally knows? Sally knows other businesses that are going to see that, come there, see the video, and say, how did you get that done? Oh, I was working with John Palmer. I was working with Avi. I was working with Warren. I was working with Barb, Neil. I was working with Boyd. You guys get my point? You see the power in what we're doing here? You're going to take your existing content, your existing sales to make you additional sales. It's pure brilliance. Give me a 777 in the chat box if you guys understand what I just said there, because it is unbelievable what you're able to do with this stuff. Dean, are you fired up? I need to make sure Dean's still fired up. I don't know if Dean's
fired up. Of course I'm fired up. I am definitely fired up.
So let me see here. I want to see who's all. Dean is always fired up, says Sarah. I got it. All right, so Dean, let's see who's all getting in here. Let's see. Okay, I got John. John is going. What is the host you guys think is the best host? Okay, so the answer to your question is most hosting companies. Here's what I don't want you doing. I don't want you going out there and getting the $3 a month shared hosting. All right. That's, how do I say this without coming across rude? That's not the best way to build a foundation long-term for your company. Yes, you can buy cheap hosting, $8, $12, $15. Yes, it's not going to be that expensive. Okay. But when you get $3 shared hosting, the resources that server is giving you, you'll have errors. You won't be able to upload photos and videos of certain sizes. You'll have to go back to support all the time and ask them to open up this widget and open up that thing. And how many of you know what I'm talking about? Give me a 777 if you know what I'm talking about. As when you start doing stuff with those type of servers, you have issues. There's always something going on. They have to go to them and say, what is this? Why is this? And you think it's the website, but it's not the website. It's the hosting specifications. So with this site, our programmer, the guy that developed the actual whole store, his name is Amr, okay? He created you a document that gives you the specifications that are best for this store. You want to take those specifications and take it to whatever hosting provider you like. HostGator, GoDaddy, 1&1, GVO, whoever, okay? Take that and give that to their support and say which server package, and it's going to be $8, $12, $15, okay, guys? I'm just shooting straight with you, a month to have it, which is, it's nothing to have a great store like this with video content on it, all right? And as long as you buy that package from your hosting provider, you'll be fine. Everything will work great. Now, that being said, we do have a hosting provider that we're not associated with, we're not affiliated with, we don't make any commissions on or anything like that. We've just tested all of these servers, and this is a company that said, hey, we would love to have these clients. We would love to work with them. Is there any way you could send them our way? And we said, yes, as long as you could set up servers that meet these specifications and they won't have any problems. And they said, done. So they have 3 different packages that, like I said, one's $8.50, one's $10, and one's like $12, one's $15, something like that. Those of you that are interested, once you get the store, just hit us in support. And Martin has the direct link to that hosting company. I want to emphasize, though, I need to emphasize this. DropMock is not associated with them. It's just like me saying, hey, go to GoDaddy. It's just, we have a relationship here that's a little bit deeper because I'm able to call this guy up and say, hey, what's going on with this customer. Not that I want to do that every day, but I'm just saying we have a little bit of relationship with GoDaddy. I have to go to the same support link that you go to. But that's the only difference. I just want to make sure you know I'm not affiliated. I don't make any money. If you have support questions with that hosting company, you still have to go to their support, not to me saying, hey, my hosting's not working. Now, I will say this to all of you. If by chance you're contacting their support and they hit you back and say, hey, screw you, buddy, come to me right away, because then we have an issue. But you get my point. We like them. We're good with it. We've tested their servers, and we're good with that. So it's truly up to you who you choose, but make sure you follow the specs. Let's see here. Email's okay. All right, gotcha. Is there an option to create a package of several products? Somebody asked earlier, can I add other products? Fantastic question. Just because right now we have DropMock, Designo Pro 2, Usign, and VideoRemix integrated into your store doesn't mean you have to stop there. Any other video related products that you have, or video creation tools or photo creation tools or whatever, you're able to add unlimited amount of products to your store. It's truly up to you whenever it comes to that, all right? But it's not automated. It's a manual process. You have to add a new product manually to the store, but you absolutely can do that. It's not hard. It's a couple clicks of your button. You add a name. Actually, I'll just show you. You guys want me to just show you real quick? Give me a 777 if you want me to just show you. I need some interaction here. All right, Peter, David, Kathy, Jenny. All right, let me just show you. All right. I like to just take action, kids. Let's just do this together. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to products. All right, let me go to products. And I'm just going to go add new. And all I need to do is I need to name it. I need to add the video content. I need to put the description in. I go ahead and price it. If I want to do a sale price, I can. Little description here. I come over here, do a couple tags, and I click publish. It's that simple. Okay? It's very, very simple. You just got to follow the steps. Name it, add your media content, put a description, price it, add a coupon or pricing thing, tag it if you want to for ease of searching, and then click publish. Yeah, it's a manual process. With our APIs, with those other companies I was talking about, it's automatically pushed in here. But yes, you can add any product you want into your store. How many of you are fired up? Give me a quick 777 on that. It's unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. I just love this. And then Dale says, nice. You know it, man. It's just incredible what we have here. All right, please repeat the other things that we need to purchase to have it all. Oh, okay. So, Dean, do you want me to go into everything else, or are we staying focused on the store?
Yes. So what I want you to do is, and we can always come back to this, because I wanted to start, some people were on here a little bit earlier, and I didn't have the best explanation. There's no one that can explain it like Jamie. So now we're going to go to the front end, Jamie, and you want to walk them through it all again, because I mean, the front end is historic. I mean, I'm so ready for that. And I think everyone in here is totally ready for that.
Yes, you are. Okay. So let me back out just a second. I need to make sure you understand what's going on here. DropMock has been going on for 3 years. We have all right. Hey, listen, it's really good if you know how to talk when you're on a webinar. So let me try that again. We've been at this for 3 years. We started 3 years ago with this, image mockups. The ability for you to add an image to a computer screen, a billboard, an iPad, an iPhone, any sort of device, a picture frame, anything like that. And I'm going to show you something real quick, because I didn't get to do this too much, but I want to show you this real quick. Because I literally, just like you 3 years ago, I was getting ready to do a real estate event in Philadelphia. And this company, I started getting the emails for this thing called DropMock image mockup generator. And we were at the time looking for a designer to help us with our promotions for our real estate event up in Philadelphia. And it was going to cost us hundreds of dollars to have this person create this content for us. I already had the logo created and everything. DropMock drops onto the scene. I have no affiliation with them. I don't know this guy, Lee Pennington from the UK. I don't know any of this stuff. I just know I wanted this. I bought everything in the funnel, bought it all. How many of you were there 3 years ago whenever Lee first launched DropMock? Give me a 777 if you were there. How many of you? Yeah, look at this. Kathy and Avi, Bonnie was, Glenna was. So you guys know, you guys had the same epiphany I had. I'm like, holy cow, are you kidding me? All I have to do is click this and my image goes there. So I started doing it. I started adding my Revolution image to all of these images inside of this DropMock platform. And then I started posting it out about my real estate event, and it was unbelievable what was going on. People were engaging and interacting with this stuff. It was awesome. So then I was totally focused on my event, 100% focused on the event. And I didn't think more about DropMock. After the event, though, I was talking to my partners about what we did right, what we did wrong, all that stuff. And I realized, holy cow, this DropMock thing, what if I did it for my customers? What if I actually took the content that I was doing to promote me? What if I were to take it to my social media clients and promote them? And all of a sudden, I started creating all of this cool social media posts for my clients that I was doing social media for, and they started getting engagement on social media like nothing before, because look at this guy walking down the street with T. Tucker's sign. T. Tucker's a real estate agent up in Charlottesville, Virginia, that's been a client of mine for years. Look at this. He's never had anything like that. He's had this logo, right? Synergy. Look, I put Synergy's logo on the wall. Your real estate concierge is right on the screen there. And that's how DropMock started. And literally, I became a fanatic. I started doing it for my real estate clients. I started adding houses to DropMock. I mean, it was just unbelievable. All the different content, I fell in love with it. And I want to be straight with you guys. I didn't know Lee Pennington. I was the same boat as all you guys that knew it. I just started using it and I started making money with the thing. It was incredible. I absolutely fell in love with it. Then what happened is they launched video mock-ups. Okay, let me go to that real quick. They launched the video mock-ups. Let me go back to this slide here. All right, so then Lee just said, okay, you guys like my image mock-ups? I'll launch video mock-ups. And it was a separate purchase with a separate monthly fee. Okay, then they launched scene mock-ups where you're able to create all these scenes. Once again, now I'm paying again and I'm paying another fee. Then last year, we launched Facebook video ads where you're able to create 15-second video ads and build custom audiences in an effective way to drive businesses or business owners to come to you so you can run Facebook ads for them. And they pay a monthly retainer to do that. All right. Once again, I had to pay a monthly fee and an upfront fee and a monthly fee to have that. Then Kinetic, monthly fee. Canvas, a monthly fee. So then here's what happened. I launched Canvas. I became CEO in October, and I launched Canvas December and January. We had already been working on a live action video called Moves for about a year, all right? And I knew that was going to be our next product we were going to launch. So I started thinking about it, and I said, okay, we have live action videos, and we're working on vertical videos on Instagram. Why don't we finish both of them? And instead of launching them into the marketplace at $37 or $47 a piece, and then a monthly template club and all that, so you get, and then you have all these, I started thinking as a company, where are we going long term? What's our big vision here? What are we doing? And I realized that where we want to go and we're going to get to, I needed to combine everything. So I was talking to my family and I said, hey guys, I think I made a decision here. I'm going to take all of our existing products in DropMock that everybody's paying all these monthly fees for, and these two new products, live action video and Instagram vertical videos, and I think I'm going to put them all together as one product that people can log into with one username, one password, and be able to use all of these services as one. Right away, instantaneously, without skipping a beat, my 13-year-old son, quick hands Jesse, said, Fusion by DropMock. And I said, Jesse, that's brilliant. Brilliant. Because I was calling it all in one. And he said Fusion by DropMock, and it made total sense. Fusing together all of our technology with one username, one password, to be able to give to you as our customer the ability to have content creation tools for your customers, so those customers will work with you every month for new and cool and creative and unique and rare content. You can create them an image mock-up today, a video mock-up next week, a scene mock-up next week. You can create them a Facebook video ad to drive traffic to their website. You can create them a video commercial once every quarter for $1,500, $2,000. You can create them different Facebook video headers every month, every quarter, different holidays, and charge them for that. Live action video, Instagram videos. You have it all now under one umbrella for you guys to go in there, and not only for your company, which is how I started this whole thing, but for your clients as well. And that made total sense to me. It made total sense to say, you know what, stop nickel and dime everybody and launching after launching after launching. Just put it all under one roof and get them in there, get them using this software, and teach them to make money with this stuff. That's how it all came about. Now, let me talk about what you're actually going to get, okay? Because this is important so you understand. You're getting a cloud-based software platform, okay? We call it Fusion by DropMock. It's an all-in-one cloud-based SaaS platform. That's what you're getting access to. You're going to create Facebook video headers, Instagram vertical videos, Facebook video ads, video headers, HD video commercials, dazzling image mockups, stunning video mockups, creative scene mockups, everything. You're going to get it all right? And we're going to give you 70 templates. 70. I didn't say 7. I said 70 templates that you can go in there and be creative. And here's what's important about this. Let me go into DropMock. Let me just show you this. I just want to go in there. We're going live into DropMock, and I'm going to show you. All right? Because it's so important that you understand that. Let me go into, let's just go vertical. It's a brand new product. None of you guys have seen this before. It's a brand new product called Vertical. All right? Inside here, you're going to have 10 vertical Instagram templates. And you'll see this one. I always go to real estate because that's my background. All right? Let's preview this. Beautiful. Nice logo, company name, right? See the image back there? I'm going to pause it for a second. You see that? It's like a living room back there. Give me a 777 if you guys see what I'm talking about. You guys see that? Right now, you're thinking, this is real estate. I can only sell this to real estate. Stop for a second. That's not true. The template was created with real estate in mind. That's it. It can be used for doctors, dentists, lawyers, chiropractors, whatever niche you're in, coaching, whatever. Automobiles. So for example, let's just say automobiles. I would go ahead and take a picture of the automobile with the automobiles company, and I put the logo here, and I would put the, like, let's just say it's a Ford, I don't know what, Ford, what's a Ford? Ford truck, I don't know, Ford F-150, that's what it's called, a Ford F-150. I'd put the image of Ford F-150 here, I'd say Ford F-150 here where it says living room, and I would put the price of the truck. Now let's go to the next one. Moves on, okay? I would take, and I would switch this stuff out to a Ford Festiva, I think is what it's called. Ford Taurus. Ford Taurus is another one. So I would do Ford Taurus in the price, and I'd have the image of that. So just because you see you're going to have 10 templates, these 10 templates can be used for anything, any business, any type, any niche, doesn't matter what it is. You can create unique content there. So yes, you're getting 70 templates, but those 70 templates basically can be created into anything you want. All right. And what's great about it right now is you literally can pick this up for $37. $37 one time. And you get access to 3 years of development, a couple $100,000 invested into the development of this. That's legit cash, guys, that we have paid out to develop this over the past 3 years. You're getting all of that technology that we've spent 3 years and hundreds of thousands of dollars to develop for you for $37 with 70 templates. How many of you think that's a great deal? Give me 7 if you think that's a great deal. Come on, let me see it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What were you going to say, Dean? I'm sorry, man.
Oh, no. I was just, I mean, I'm amazed at the price, okay? I'm amazed at how cheaply you've been able to give it to everyone and all the work and hundreds of thousands of dollars that you all have put into it. I mean, it's a steal at $37, which I'm going to go ahead and drop the link for everyone over in the chat box. And Jamie, giving it back to you, my friend.
Okay. All right. So while you guys are doing that, go ahead and grab pick this up, $37. We are limited on time here, but let's just get you guys in there. I want to kind of show you something else though. But listen, I want to show you one of the coolest new things that we have in here. Let me go into. Do you guys mind if I show you a live action video real quick? Which, listen, let me talk to you about live action. Live action is one of the hottest technologies available in the marketplace right now as far as video technology. It is hard to do. Let me just say that again. Everybody type it in, hard. Type the word hard in. Live action video is hard. Come on, type it in there. No, it's only one-time price, Carol. $37 to get 70 templates and have access to all of our technology. It is hard to do live action, okay? It's very complex and you need very expensive video editors to be able to do it. And that's why, let me just show you this. Let me bring up my slide real quick. Let me just find my slide here on this because I need you to see this real quick. That's why right here, la 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 la, do 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 do, do right here. Look at this, live action video, live action video, live action video, live action commercial on Fiverr right now. People are selling their abilities. These editors, these professionally trained, these are professional editors, are charging $950, $2,500, $4,300, $5,000, $5,500 to create what I'm about ready to show you with a couple clicks of a mouse. You guys want to see it? Who wants to see it? Give me a 777 if you want me to show you how you can make this kind of money inside of what you're going to have your fingertips on for $37. Are you kidding me? Come on, this is nuts. Let me see what you got. Who wants to see? Yeah, you do. I know you do. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go in here and we're going to click on moves. Get it? Moves. Live action video. We're going to go in here and I'm just going to use my favorite one. Dean and Dan, I need to ask you, do you guys remember seeing this in Venice? Do you remember?
Yes. I remember I got stuck in that airport for days.
Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, that's the Venice airport. Oh, such great memories.
Okay. I'm going to use this template because I love it. This is my favorite template in here. It's live action video. What I'm going to show you how to do literally takes editors a couple days to do. It's very complex technology. We've simplified this to where what you're going to see right now, you're going to say, why would somebody pay $5,000? Because you don't know really what it takes to do this. If you do, you understand why they charge so much. They literally, an editor has to do so many fancy editing with special technology to be able to have the camera moving and that logo not move. Okay, that's hard. It's extremely hard, but we've simplified the process. I'm not going to add any text. We do this to be fancy, but I don't like that they added the text here. That's up to you if you add text. I'm just not a fan of it on this template, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop an image in here. Watch this, okay? I'm going to drop an image in here, right here, all right? And I'm going to do Fusion, all right? Let's do Fusion, all right? Create and crop and create. Now watch. Then, and I want you guys to pay attention exactly what I'm doing. Exactly what I'm doing, because I'm going to ask you a question as soon as I'm done, and you got to answer for me, all right? You got to just tell me what I'm gonna ask you at the end here is very, 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 very important. Okay, so one of the things that's going on right at this moment is we have thousands of people logging into the system. Now understand this, during the launch, we have upgraded all of our servers and we have multiple servers running right now to handle the volume. And we are going to continue to increase the amount of servers and decrease the amount of servers based on the volume of what's going on right now, all right? At this moment, it looks like there's a lot of traffic going on right there, and it's taking a little bit longer than it normally does to do what this is supposed to do, okay? So let me just go ahead and do this. It's still trying to grab the image, and it stinks because it normally only takes 7 seconds. La 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 la. Okay. So then what I'm going to do here is grab this one more time like that and go like this. All right, to make this a little bit better. All right, so what's going on here is I'm going to have to back out. All right, so let me just start fresh so you guys can see. All right, and here's what's I want everybody. I'm totally be transparent with you guys. All right, there are thousands of people that are coming onto this platform right now. So over the next week, it's going to take a little longer to get your templates. It just is what it is. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Okay, it's with any new service or whatever. It just or any amount of volume coming to it. But the team knows to increase the servers as soon as we get bogged down like this. So after the webinar, I have to get them to increase things. But basically, I'm going to do this one more time and just see. If not, I'm going to show you the end result. But it should only take just a couple moments. There it goes. Okay, so boom, it automatically does it. Okay, it freed up the space and let me in there. Now it's not going to change right here, but you'll see it down here. It's changed. You know it's ready to go. Now I'm going to go to the second picture right there, the coffee shop. Okay, now I'm going to do this. I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go like this, like that, like this, like that, and like this, like this, like that, and like everybody sing it. Here we go. All right, we're going to drop that down, like that, crop and create. Okay, now I'm taking all of my logos for all of my stuff and I'm adding it there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this because I want different audio. I'm going to click on add audio and I want to use this one. Yep, I want to use that one. That's the one I like. Okay, generate mockup. And now, boom, your video is going to be ready in just a few moments. I'm going to go here to my video section. And this is where my video is going to show up. Okay, it's going to show up right here. It's rendering right now. Look at that. People are already using it. That's great. All right. And you'll see it's just going to take just a few moments for it to render here. Good, 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 good. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring this up. And let's go right here. I'm just going to bring this one up to show you. Okay, and it's going to start playing. All right, now watch. That's Fusion by DropMock in Venice's airport. Now watch, it's going to pan. Now, the fact that that logo does not move is hard to do. Pans over here, and watch. Here it comes. Bang. Let me pause it right there. Look at that. Look at that.
Absolutely amazing.
Isn't that cool?
Wow, that is crazy, Jamie.
Unbelievable technology, everybody. We are so excited about live action video. And guess what? Instead of launching it by itself for $37, we're giving you that with 10 templates. Vertical video with 10 templates. Image mockups, video mockups, scene mockups, canvas, HD commercials, everything. You're getting 70 templates inside of DropMock starting right now for $37 before the price starts going up. It's insane what we have here. Now, my question to you, everybody on here, how many of you could do what I just did? You take an image, click a button, add it. Take the second image, click a button, add it, choose your audio, click render, and you have a live action video that people are charging $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $5,000 for. Give me a 777 if you feel that you can do that without a shadow of a doubt. Come on, who thinks they can do it? Every one of you should. Avi, Gary, Kathy, Glenna, Aaron, Dirk. Dirk, what are you doing, man? There's my buddy Dirk. Booyah! Please show us again, Stan says. I'm going to show you a mock-up here real quick. LaTanya says me. David says me. Peter says 777. Yeah. I love it.
Jamie, before you move on really quick, okay? I need to get everyone in on this front end before this price actually goes up. So over in the chat box, everyone that's in, I need you to give me an I'm in and put your transaction ID there so that we could get everyone into here now, because what Jamie is going over is absolutely ridiculously filled with value. So I am putting it in the chat box. When you get in on this, over in the chat box, put your transaction ID. Back to you, Jamie. Sorry about the interruption.
No, man, anytime, Dean. You're the man. This is your show. I'm just the pony in the show, buddy. It's all good. All right. So now I want to start off with the basics. All right, because this is where people start getting overwhelmed. Where do I start? What do I do? You know, how do I get going with all this stuff? And I want to just rest assured that this is exactly what I would do. I'm going to show you exactly if I never saw any of this before, and this is my first time seeing this stuff, what would I do? Would I create a live action? No. Would I create a vertical for Instagram? No, 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 no. Here's exactly what I would do. Watch me. I need somebody here to give me a city and state. Not Glenda this time. Somebody else. Let's see here. Pueblo CO. Let's do Pueblo. Hold on, let me write that down. I don't even know if I'm saying that. Pueblo CO, so that's Colorado. And Patricia, tell me a niche that you're in, Patricia, or a niche that you'd potentially want to be in. That was Patricia, right? I think it was, yeah, Patricia. I think it was Patricia. Let me write your name down too. So Patricia in Pueblo, Colorado. All right, a beauty shop. Beautiful. There you want Sally's Beauty Shop. I got you. I know what Patricia wants now. All right, here we go. Let's come over here to Facebook. You guys may have heard of it. It's an up and coming new social media site. Might catch on, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Pueblo, Colorado, and we're gonna do beauty. How do you spell beauty? Beauty shop. All right, here we go. All right, listen, you don't have to be smart to make these videos. I'm proof positive. All right, let's go here to pages. All I do is type in the city, state, and the niche, and I go to pages. That's it. Now, oh my gosh. I think this is the first time in the history that everybody's being exposed to the ultimate smoke shop, tattoo, and hair salon. Yeah, that's the one we're doing. Are you kidding me? I can get my hair done while I'm getting a tattoo and I'm smoking. Oh my gosh, I love it. I don't do any of that, but it's all good. All right. Actually, no, we're not doing that. I didn't know it was all that stuff. Sorry, guys. My bad. I was gonna have fun there, but I can't do that. All right, let's go to Aguilar's Family Hair Salon Stylist West. I like it. It's a family business. Like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on their logo real quick and see what size it is. Perfect. That's perfect right here. Save that image, and I'll just do AG just for the sake of time, and I'm gonna save it. Now watch what I'm gonna do, everybody. Hold on to your hats. I don't think you're ready for what I'm about ready to do. Actually, are you? Let me see. Give me a 777 if you're ready for about what I'm about ready to do. Give it to me. This is just gonna blow your mind. This is exactly what you're gonna do. You get this, invest the 37 bucks, get in here and do exactly what I'm showing you. Choose a niche, your city, go to the pages and do this. Come to images, okay? Grab the images, and I know this one's in your account, so let's go here. You're gonna click here, and I want you to understand something here real quick. I'm gonna click upload, and I'm gonna go AG, and I'm gonna grab that. It's gonna ask me to size it to the appropriate size, right? Like that. And I'm gonna crop and create. All right, can everybody do what I just showed you? Can you go to Facebook, choose a business, grab their logo like that, upload it in here like this, and watch, bang, there it is, right there. Can you do that? All right, I'm gonna take it one step further, make it even so much better for you. You guys are gonna flip a lid. All right, everybody, yes, you can. Now watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate mockup before editing, okay? And I'm gonna go like that, and watch what happens. It's gonna bring me to an editing scene. All right. And in this editing scene, we're able to do some fancy dancy stuff. All right. And I'm going to just kind of show you here. I'm going to go over to Aguilar's site again. I'm going to go to About. Okay. And I want to see if they have a website or something. Whoo, that is a domain name. Oh my goodness. Let's just see what happens here. All right. I don't know, Patricia, I don't know about you, but this is a company I would want to work with. I like to choose my companies that I work with. And so let's go back over here. And now I want to edit this mock-up, right? Edit. And you can do all kinds of fancy stuff. I'm not here to train you on all the fanciness, but you can do all kinds of cool, fancy things inside here. I don't use any of it. I don't use any of all the bells and whistles. There's only one bell and whistle that I use every time. It's the text tool. I just click on text and it adds the text right here. Okay, now watch. Paste that, hopefully it clicks in there. All right, so now I'm going to go like this, make this bigger. Okay, and now I'm going to make that smaller. Okay, and I want to make the text smaller. All right, and then I'm going to go like this. Okay, that's not working out. I shouldn't have copy and pasted. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. I messed up with the copy and paste. Let me just drag this down here. Okay, and let me add this again. And now I'm actually gonna type it in because it's just such a big thing. I want to do it right though for you. Let me just spell it out. Aguilars, family. I'm writing it down, guys. Hold on one sec. Family hairstyling. Okay, hairstyling. Okay, so now I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to type that in to make it easier. Okay. www.Aguilars, Aguilar's family hair styling. They might want to rethink that, but it is what it is. All right, so we have to work with that. All right, and I'm going to make it bigger. And I'm going to bring it down here like this. And I'm going to click apply. And it's going to drop it in there for me. Okay, I'm going to save it. And I can change the color and all that stuff. And now I'm going to download this, save link as. And I'm going to do AG1A just so I can know it. And now I'm able to come over here and I'm going to send them a message. And I'm able to send that directly to them. Hey guys, saw your Facebook page. I thought you'd like to see a cool way that you can start promoting yourself. Here's an image. Love to chat with you guys about it. And I would give it to them 100% free. It took me 3 minutes to do. And now I potentially have somebody I can go and talk to about doing business with them. And then from there, I have a business that now I can do a video mock-up for, a scene mock-up for. I can start running Facebook video ads for. And you keep going down the line of all the services that you have now at your fingertips for 37 bucks. And you're able to keep selling this customer over and over and over again. You know why? Because the easiest person to sell is an already existing customer. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. How many of you can do exactly what I just showed you? Give me a 777. Huh? Come on, who can do that? Because that's exactly where I want you to start. There's so much technology behind DropMock right now. Blindfolded, says Steven. That's exactly it, man. I think it's going to take you a couple tries before you can do it blindfolded, but yeah, and probably one hand behind your back, standing on your left foot, Steve. I think you can do it, buddy. And I actually want you to video and send it to me. Dean, what do you think, dude? What do you think, man? Are we all on the same page here?
You are completely blowing my mind. We always at VideoRemix talk about opening up with giving something free, and you just showing what you did in under 3 minutes. You got a customer. You've gotten a customer in under 3 minutes. I am truly excited about this. I mean, everyone in here should be totally excited about this. Jamie, keep going, man. I want to see some more.
Yes, you do, buddy. Okay. So how many of you are they? Like, did you already drop the link? I'm sorry. I'm was in my zone and I don't know what the heck's. Did you drop the link already for them to get
Yes, I
that?
already dropped the link.
Okay. So now those of you that are getting, everybody's getting that. Everybody's got the commercial. Like, yeah, get the commercial license. You can get the personal, but I mean, it's totally up to you if you get the personal. But honestly, you really want to go with the commercial. It's $10 more. Can you please tell me if this is different video remix? Yeah. This is not video remix. This is not video remix at all. I mean, you're on the video remix webinar, but the technology is not video remix. You guys have something extremely special. You guys have personalized video, which is the hottest thing going, other than my live action videos. But you get my point. So this is not that. This is completely different technology. Okay. Absolutely. So now what's happening is I want to introduce you to basically something that I'm really excited about, because once again, it's never been done in this industry. You see, every time somebody launches a product, every single time, the same thing happens. Okay. They start telling you that about the templates. Okay. And honestly, it's one of the most important pieces of the puzzle. You have to have new templates coming, or else you get stale real quick. I mean, it's just the reality of it. Okay. So when I was sitting back and I'm like, okay, I don't want to just do new templates. That's not the plan here. That's not where we're going with DropMock. We want to be your development team. That's really what we want. We want you to be able to be in front of a business and say, yeah, my development team designs all this for us. Okay. And that's important. That's important that you're able to do that. And by coming on board at $37, you can officially say that now. My development team has this. Now, from there, I want everybody to realize something. You have a team behind you, and I'm going to show you real quick. We spend over $10,000 a month, or invest, I should say, invest over $10,000 a month to have a professional video and photo testing, support, everything team. Okay, this team gets together with me and we storyboard out the next videos and all the content, the locations that we're going on, the actors and actresses we're going to hire for you. All of this content that you have inside of DropMock is 100% exclusive to us. We create it. It's our development team. It's our photo and video crew. And guess what? That's why I decided to do Fusion Partners. I want you to come on board with me today and become a Fusion partner, where now you can tell businesses you have your own video and photo crew that goes out every month and captures new content, captures new stuff, develops new video content for you to offer to them. Never been done before. What I'm doing is I'm opening the doors up for you to not only get brand new templates every single month, but you're going to have a say in those templates. Because all the time I have people say to me, hey, is there any way you could do a template for coaching? Hey, is there any way you can do a template for a chiropractor? Hey, is there any way you can do a template for automobile? And what happens is they send it in support, and we put that onto a document. And how many of you know what happens when you put something onto a document that kind of gets added to consistently? We look over it, but it's not top of mind awareness. So what I said to myself is, how do I get it to where what we need is addressed immediately? So what I'm doing for the first time ever is I'm opening the doors to our closed door meeting and allowing you to come to it. I want you to join me every month, and I want you to come to the meeting live via conference call webinar. And Angelo and Abby and Krish and my whole team are going to be there. Okay. And we're going to put together, we're going to show you the storyboard. We're going to show you the locations we're looking at. We're going to show you the buildings, the apartments, the clubhouses, the restaurants, the workout centers, the outside facilities, the concerts we're going to go to film content. And we're going to have you tell us, yeah, we love that location. Boy, wouldn't it be great if we did this niche? Hey, on the storyboard, hey, here's the 4 actors we're choosing from. We'd love to have this actor this month. You get a say in it now. You come with us and you have your voice heard. And Angelo and the team that are trying to come up with this stuff know what you guys want. and we decide on that together. We put together the plan and we go out and get the content for you. Give me a 777 if you're excited to have your own video and photo crew, being a part of something that's never been done before, so you can have a say in what goes on. You become a partner with us. Now, I do want to address something because this is very important. Some of you are like, Jamie, I just want the templates, man. I don't want to come to your meeting. I'm not going to call you up and say, hey, Dirk, you weren't at the meeting, man. What's going on? That's not how this is, okay? It's not like that at all. If you want to be there, we're going to open the doors for you to be there. If you don't want to be there, you don't have to be. You just get the templates, okay? But because of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a no-brainer for everybody. How many of you would like a no-brainer? Like an absolute no-brainer? One of the fastest growing industries is craft beer market. Gary, I need you to come to the meeting and tell the boys that. All right, how many? I need you to say no-brainer. Put no-brainer in the chat box or else it's going to be a brainer. Hold on a second here. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. Here's what I'm going to do. Watch, let me bring this up here. All right, I'm going to show you this because we've never in the history of DropMock in the past 3 years have offered this. It's just not something that we do, okay? I actually want to show you something before I do that. I want you to really grasp what I'm talking about here. For you to go out into the open market on these video sites that you buy stuff from, like Shutterstock and Video Blocks and all this, look at this, an HD video, $79. If you want to dumb down 426 by 240, 25 frames per second, $49 for one video, okay? Watch this. What I'm going to do for the first time ever, let me bring it down here, is I'm going to give you access to everything, unlimited, everything. If you go ahead and become our partner, we're literally going to be partners, and I'm going to give you unlimited access to DropMock. Unlimited photo mockups, unlimited video mockups, unlimited, everybody say it, unlimited scene mockups, unlimited video renders, unlimited support, unlimited updates, and unlimited partnership, unlimited live action, unlimited HD commercials, unlimited Facebook headers, video ads, everything. Go in there and create to your heart's content. We are literally making this an open-ended partnership for you guys to build your business long-term with us. We're going to continue to develop the software. We're going to continue to make it stronger. We're going to continue every month to go out there and grab fresh new content for you based off of the conferences we have. And we're going to allow you to go in there and just make it to your heart's content. And I want to show you something here because this is really important. I want you to see this because we've been doing this the past 3 years. We've been charging people $27, $37, $47, on up to $67 per month for just our photo and video mockups. $37 for just our video ads, $47 for our video commercials. Every month people are paying us $37 for Facebook video headers. All of this combined is $250 a month for people to have all of our products and all of our monthly templates because we have a ton of employees that basically create this content for you, and it costs us a lot of money to do it. So there are people out there, and some of you are on here, that are paying us yearly and monthly for a lot of these services. What we've done is we've said no. What we're doing is we're wiping the slate clean, wiping it clean. And we're going to basically give you all of these, all the templates updated, not for $252 a month. It's not going to be that at all. I want you guys to type into the chat box what you think would be a fair price every month for this. Put it in there. What do you think? $197, $147, $97? What do you think is a fair price? Honestly, I want your honest opinion here. How much do you guys think? $197? Yep. That's because you guys saw it already, Stan and Anthony. You can't do that. That's so. I got Stan and Anthony's trick. I know how they work. But you guys are right. Let me scroll down here and show you. All right. Literally, for the first time ever, we're giving you access to our video and photo crew, all our templates that we come out with every single month for $47 a month. $47 a month for all of these templates, all the software, fresh, relevant content for your brand new store each and every month. Now, Now. I have one last thing I want to show you guys that is remarkable. Are you guys okay if I give you a little bit more? Huh? Give me a 777 if you want a little bit more. Because those of you that get involved right now, jump on board with us. Here's what I'm going to do. We've been doing this for 3 years. And what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to open the door for you guys to get on board right now, and I'm going to give you 2,400 additional templates, bang, right away. I'm going to make this an absolute no-brainer for you guys to jump on board and have access to the greatest content that's available out there in the marketplace for your storefront, for your business long-term. Plus, you get access to my team. Plus, you get all the new templates, all for $47. Are you kidding me? Yes, it is a monthly recurring fee, but let me ask you something. How many of you can hire a director, a producer, actors, actresses, videographers, photographers, video editors for $47 a month? How many of you can do that? If you can do that, please call me because I need to know how. You just can't. But guess what? You can now. I'm giving you that opportunity today for you to have a video photo crew, editors, all these people working on your behalf. Plus, I'm giving you unlimited everything and 2,400 additional templates. Dean, am I giving away too much? I just honestly, guys.
No. Yes, of course you're giving away too much. But that's the beauty of it all. You know, if someone can actually get all of that together for $47 a month, like Jamie, you're making them a part of your company. You are giving them insider, and for this crowd, what's so amazing about this is no one else is offering this at all. We don't offer it. No other company is offering it. So it really is, like Jamie says, a no-brainer.
Yeah, I'm so excited to be here today. I really am. This has been, Lee started the company 3 years ago. And whenever he turned over the reins to me, the direction we're going with the company, this just makes sense to me to do this. And the proof's in the pudding. We actually did a test run about a couple months ago with our internal customers. And I just want to be straight with you guys. We were charging $67 a month for this, okay? And I want you to know that right now it's 47. We are going to be getting at 67. Over the past 36 hours, I had to make some big decisions before we started launching. And one of them was, well, I'm not going to get into it. One of them, there's two decisions. This is one of them. I had to decide about the $67. Well, here's what happened. We went into development with our servers in our rendering process. And we basically took our rendering from having to have 2 and 3 and 4 servers down to where we've streamlined the process to we need just one server. And then as we grow and grow and grow, we're going to add more servers, but we've eliminated that cost. And that's significant. So we were working the numbers and I said, we could do it. We literally could do it for $47 a month. Now listen to me here, because you're going to think I'm nuts. My goal and my focus is always what's in the best interest of you and your company. Because you know why? Because I was in the exact same spot that you guys are right now, doing the same identical things. I showed you. I was doing this stuff out there in the marketplace. I was selling this stuff. I was using it for my clients. It's incredible. Okay. So I said to myself, okay, I already have hundreds of clients paying me $67 a month. I'm literally going to have a conference call with them. And I did it last night and said, hey guys, how many of you are happy paying me $67 a month? And every one of them said, me. Every single one of them. So I said to them, listen, I'm making a decision right now for this launch that's happening tomorrow. How many of you would like to pay me less? And every one of them said, me. Of course they did, because I had to be fair. Coming into this today, guys, I want you to understand, we want you as a long-term business relationship, but also I want to build a friendship with you. And I feel that we come in at the best price possible. You guys are going to see it as a no-brainer. So literally, I lost money yesterday. lost thousands and thousands of dollars by being able to drop the price for you guys today to hopefully bring you on as a long-term business partner with us. How many of you are pumped about that? Give me a 777 if you guys are cool with that. Huh? Who does that type of stuff? My interest is 100% focused on you and how we're going to work together long-term and get you the content that you need, get you the content that you want, get you the content that your customers are demanding in the marketplace. Let's do this together. You see what I'm saying, Dean? Are you fired up, man?
I am fired up. Fired up. This is such an incredible offer, and the price is going to go up soon. So people, you need to hurry up and get in with the price as it is. And some people are asking, what are the bonuses? I want you to see all of this, because if you buy the full funnel, you're going to have all of those bonuses. So Jamie, take it away.
Bonuses? Your bonuses?
Yeah, my bonuses, Jamie. They still get some video remix stuff. We can't give them all this and not give them stuff that works for video remix. So I'm going to go over the bonus packages when you are actually done, my friend.
I'm ready, man. I want to see them.
Sounds good. So go ahead. Let me jump on this. Let me jump on here right now. All right, and become the presenter, and let's go over who loves bonuses over in the chat box. If you love bonuses, give me a $ over in the chat box. If you love bonuses, give me $ over in the chat box. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So if you are seeing my screen right now, okay, so let's go back, okay? Let's go back to where our bonuses actually start. Now, for anyone who is getting in on main, what we are going to do is we are going to get, so that's your commercial or your personal. Most of you all, you want to do commercial because that gives you the right to sell, okay? And it's only $37. So what we are going to do is we are going to give you one kinetic template, okay? We're going to give you one kinetic template for that, all right, for 10 months, okay? So you are going to get one kinetic template a month for 10 months, so 10 total templates, okay? That is what's going to happen for your front end, which is your commercial policy.
Wait. Did you, let me just make sure I'm clear and understand what you're saying, because I didn't understand that. You're giving them a template a month, and they're not even in the monthly template club. They buy the front end 37.
Club. Yes, exactly. So we're giving them almost $5,000 worth of our templates. Okay, so you're going to
get one. That's really good.
It blows any other affiliate out there. I mean, just with that, and that's only for the front end purchase. So for $37, not only are you going to get all of these DropMock products and all of these features that Jamie showed you, but now you're going to get $5,000 worth of our customizable, our templates, okay? So our personalized templates, and remember, we have a DropMock. We actually have a DropMock API. So what you're going to be able to do is actually sell those personalized templates also in your store if you purchase the store. So that is going to be our front end offer. So everyone that jumped in the front end, you're going to pay $37. You're going to get all of these products plus $5,000 worth of video remix templates, okay? That is number one. Right now,
that's really good.
The good times keep rolling, Jamie. Good times keep rolling. Now, for OTO1, what we are talking about right now, DropMock Partners is so outrageous, okay? DropMock Partners is so outrageous. What we are going to do is for anyone who is in Go or Video Remix, so don't worry if you have Go and you don't have VR, what we are going to do is we are going to throw on top of that $2,500 worth of unreleased niche templates for you, okay? We have, and we're doing the best of the best. So the ones that are money making. So we have electrician, home remodeling, locksmith, veterinarian, and this one I absolutely love, event planner. Now, Jamie, just as your templates go, just because one is made or it says that it is an event planner, you can switch that to do events. And this is going to be a huge money maker for everyone out there because small businesses are doing events all the time. Think about if you're going for real estate, what do? They do an open house event. So you're actually going to have a template that you can use to give real estate agents for their open house. So over $2,500. Right now, we're at between the $5,000, we're at $7,500 just for you purchasing the front end and OTO1. So these are the bonus templates that you're going to have. And if you love real estate, this home remodeling template, how often? Okay, how often do you watch HGTV and what are people doing? They're flipping houses, right? HTV is all about the flip. I'm a huge HGTV fan. So now you're going to have a template for home remodeling that real estate agents are absolutely going to die over because now they get to show their property from where it was before to a remodeled home, and it is going to be completely personalized, okay? Completely personalized. So it is an amazing amount of bonuses that are out there that you are going to receive from VideoRemix because we want to give you, Jamie, what did we say? Mama said knock you out. You know, we want to give you a knockout. We want to give you a knockout offer. Now, think about this for a second, okay? Is anyone in here on the fence right now? Is anyone in here? Let me know if you're on the fence. Put fence over in the chat box right now. If you are on the fence, you're looking at these things and you're like, oh, okay, you know, I like it, but I'm just not sure if I want to give my money up. You put a fence over in the chat box right now. Okay. So there are a few of you all that are here that are on the fence. Now, what I'm going to tell you, I'm going to push you over the fence, okay? Now, think about it like this, okay? What Jamie is offering allows you, okay? Allows you unlimited, okay? Now, with our bonuses also, what I am going to do for everyone that is on this website, on this webinar right now, what I'm going to do is I am actually going to give you another bonus, okay? I am going to give you another bonus. What I'm going to do is I am also going to give you 5 more projects, okay? What this is going to allow you to do is this is going to allow you, when you have a customer who is interested in your products, the one thing that they love more than anything is free. Okay, so what you're going to be able to do is between Jamie's products and our products, you're going to have something that kicks down that door and says, hey, you got to give me a chance because I am going to start out by giving you something first before I ask for any money back. Okay, so we want to do that for everyone who is jumping in to this bonus. When you jump in here, I am going to add 5 more projects to you. You can use those for Go or you could use those for VR. How does that actually sound, Jamie? Let me know what you think of that, Jamie.
I think you're a nut job is what I think. That first one, I can't believe you guys are doing it. You're doing 10 template every single. I don't know if you guys understand the significance of that. I basically connected our programmer with their programmer and said, this is how you do this technology. And I want you guys to understand the commitment Dean and Dan are doing. They're literally creating stuff that my team does. They're doing it on your behalf from their company because they're learning our technology to do that for you. And they're going to do it over the next 10 months. That is sick, Dean. That is, I didn't know that. I didn't understand that. To be honest with you, I just be straight. I haven't had an opportunity to look at everybody's bonus pages yet, so I just did not know you were doing that. That's really unbelievable.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Sandy has a question. Sandy, if you were trying to decide between us and someone else, I can promise you ours package is so much better. Also, too, don't forget, we've already gone over the store, and that comes with Jamie's going to do a training, but also I am going to do a training on how DropMock and VideoRemix are going to align together to allow you to sell $1,000 packages, $2,500 packages, and $5,000 packages. So when you get in there, you're going to get a link to that. You're going to actually get a link to that webinar, which we are having at Monday at 1 p.m. Okay, so there is so much that we are adding on to what Jamie is already offering, and these are only exclusive if you buy through the webinar. You can't come later on and be like, oh, well, I missed out. Can I still get the bonuses? No, this is for you to get off the fence now. Go ahead, put your money where your mouth is, and start actually giving yourself the chance of a lifetime. I mean, this whole package is unbelievable. So, Jamie, I'm going to give it back to you. Well, before we do that, okay, I need everyone on the fence, all right? Where is the buy link? Buy link is over in the chat box, but I am going to put the buy link there again. Now, for you to get these bonuses, I need you to do something very simple. Over in the chat box, what you are going to do, you're going to get your transaction ID. I need more than the transaction ID, okay? I need more than just the number. I need it to say what product you purchased and the price that you paid for it, so I make sure that these exclusive bonuses go to who they're supposed to. You can't use a transaction ID that you've used before or anything like that. So put all of that information over in the chat box. I will make sure that you get all of these bonuses, all right? So, Jamie, I'm going to hand it back over to you, okay? I'm going to hand it back over to you right now, buddy. Hold on 1 second.
Listen, even John Elway fumbled or missed a pass every now and then.
Missed the pass every now and then, right?
All right, so I have a question for everybody, and this is kind of a personal question. This might be too personal. How many of you have ever done a couple webinars in a day and have drank 4 things of water and forgot to go to the bathroom before the last webinar? How many of you have ever done that? Well, let me just tell you, if you haven't, it's not a happy moment. I'm full is what all I need to say. I should have, before we got on here, I should have went to the bathroom and I didn't. It's crazy.
Jamie, if you need a break, man, I can take over for you. I'm on my second webinar today too. So I've done it.
And I just thought I'd tell everybody. You know, I'm just transparent. I just let it out there, buddy. I know that there's people on here that they were working, they were doing something, and they just got into the middle of it. Next thing they know, they're in the middle of it all, and they had to go. Look at that, Steve busting at the seams. I know what you're talking. See, Steve knows what I'm talking about. I got you. Okay, so listen, everybody. I just want to just emphasize a couple things here. First off, you're in great hands with Dan Cumberland, CEO of VideoRemix, and Dean here, Dean the Machine. You know, it's just incredible. And a lot of you have been with these guys for a while, and you know Adam. Just a great group of guys, an amazing company. And now they're introducing you. Some of you know about DropMock, but some of you didn't. And they're introducing my company to you. And I just want you to know that we have a commitment to you and your business, and we're in this for the long haul. I hope you see that with the pricing that I've done here. I tried to be as aggressive as I can to make it as inexpensive as possible for you guys. You still have to do the investment, of course. But overall, when you look at most launches, you spend $300 or $400 in a launch, and we're nowhere near that. I made it as cost effective for your business as I can, because I want you to see that I don't want to rake you over the coals. I want you to be a long-term customer of ours. I want you to come on to the DropMock family and know that we have your best interest, just like Dan and Dean do as well. And we're going to continue to support our system. We're going to continue to evolve our technology. We're going to continue to make it better, so you can be proud to call us your back end. You can be proud to say my development team is on this. You can be proud to say my video and photo team it creates new content, and that is significant out in the real world out there. Most companies do not have what you're getting your fingertips on today. None of them do. They just don't. The video companies that you're in competition with, they have no opportunity close to being able to have as many customers as you and generate as much money as you, because they have to do it all manually. They have to go out and film it. They have to bring it back. They have to cut it and edit it and add music to it and all that. They have to do all that. So their projects, though they charge more, are limited. You can charge less and have more customers, or you can charge the same price and just get it done faster. We have technology that your competition doesn't know about. Okay, that's what's significant here. And when you really wrap your mind around that, and wrap your mind around the fact that you have a photo and video team for $47 a month, when literally if you were to go out and hire it, it would cost you tens of thousands of dollars to do this. You have that infrastructure now. You have the store, you have the technology, you have it all at your fingertips for dirt cheap nothing, and it is awesome. So let me see if there's any questions that I can answer before I jump off here. Let's see here. What is the difference between the front end template bonuses and the partner bonuses? I think you want to answer that, Dean, but the front end bonuses that Dean's offering are bonuses that can be used inside of DropMock's video commercial editor called Kinetic HD, okay? The partner bonuses that he's offering are projects for VideoRemix, correct, Dean?
Yes, exactly. Exactly. So what you're doing with those bonuses, and let me explain that to you, okay? So what we're doing here is we're giving you, what we want to do is we want to make sure that you're covered not only on the DropMock side, right? So we want to give you things to be able to use with DropMock, but also that's why it's considered a bonus. We want to give you stuff that you can use for VideoRemix also. So basically what we're doing is we're giving you an opportunity to save lots of money. Okay, so what we're doing with these is that you're going to, if you have Go, right, we're going to give you Go links. If you have VR, we're going to give you VR links. And the greatest thing about this is that these are exclusive. No one out there but you in your market, unless you all live in the same exact city, are going to have these templates. These were only made for DropMock. They are not going to be sold. They're not going to be in our template club. So this one that you see for Event Planner, dude, it's all you. You are the only one that is going to have that. So hopefully that explains that question, okay?
Hey, Dean, I have to kind of do something real quick, and I'm not trying to get myself off here quick enough to go to the bathroom. That's not what I'm trying to do. I just need to point out that in 9 minutes and 45 seconds, I have to bounce because I have to up the price. I'm handling that right now because the team is okay. Just so you know, it's just we have 9 minutes, guys, before the timer expires, and I have to go in there and I have to update all that, and I have to up the pricing. So it's not a false scarcity or anything like that. It's real. We made it a 4 o'clock cutoff. So
yeah, I think that you have explained everything more than I could ever even imagine. I wish I had you on this morning's webinar, because what you showed with the store and be able to send them that buy link was absolutely unforgettable. I want to thank you, Jamie, for jumping on here with us to explain this to us, giving us those additional bonuses, and really giving our customers a new way to fulfill all of their agency marketing tool needs, okay? This is your toolbox. Now you are going to be able to do ads anywhere. Instagram, Facebook, and not just personalized video. If people want to run Facebook ads, these integrations together, and remember, we hook up through API. So Jamie, I want to thank you for being on, and what I'm going to do is I am going to stay on here and answer your questions, make sure everyone gets into what they actually need. So for everyone in here, I want you all to give Jamie a huge, huge standing ovation in your seat. Don't throw anything in the chat box because I'm going to be throwing out links and everything. But Jamie, thank you for Fusion.
Okay, before I go, can I do something special?
Exactly what everyone needed. Okay, it is exactly what our customers needed. Thank you so much for being here, my friend. So I will talk to you soon, Jamie.
Before I go, can I do something special?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I know Dean loves the webcam. I know my buddy Dean introduced me to the webcam webinars, and I have fallen in love with it, but I've added a little twist to this. So if you guys don't mind, because you hung out with us this whole time, I want to give away some cash. Does anybody on here want to win some cash real quick?
Oh, we got cash on that.
Who wants to win some cash? All right, hold on a second. Hold on, everybody. I'm gonna introduce you to something that has never been done before. I'm a never been done before type of guy. So here, I'm gonna start my webcam, and you guys are gonna see my big forehead real quick. Hold on. Let me just share my webcam here. Hold on, everybody. And I need you to tell me when I do this if you can still hear my audio. Ready? Here we go. Because I have my microphone and my webcam going. Can you guys still hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you and we can see you, Jamie.
Okay, can you see my wheel? Can you see my wheel? Yeah!
Oh, look at that, it's the wheel.
That's the wheel, Dean. That is my wheel. Here's what's gonna happen. What's that?
I love it. Go for it.
Okay, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna ask you a question, guys. You're gonna answer that question. Whatever it lands on, I'm going to times that by 5. If it lands on number 1, I'll give you $5. If it lands on 10, I'll give you $50. Lands on 20, I'm going to give you $100. If it lands on Joker, I'm going to give you 25. If it lands on the flag, I'm going to give you 25. All right, let me grab my notepad here, okay? Because I got to write this down. Anybody that wins, what I need you to do is make sure you get me your email, or Dean your email, okay? Dean, make sure we get this. I don't know how we're going to get it, but I need you to give me your email, okay? So we can PayPal you the money. Here's the deal. I want to answer something for Glenna real quick. Glenna asked a question about the hosting. Glenna, yes, just hit Martin in support and we'll get that to you, okay? All right, so just hit Martin in support. Anybody that wants that link to that hosting company that I was talking about. All right, so let's do this. Here's my question. What is the gentleman's name that started DropMock? All I need is his first name. Go ahead and start typing it in there, and I'm going to go ahead and spin it while it's going, and I'm just going to choose somebody, okay? What is the name of the gentleman that started DropMock? Okay, Lee. Okay, I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to grab this person right here. Allison Simmons. Hold on, Allison. Hold on a second. Let me write it down. Allison Simmons. As you guys saw, I closed my eyes and I just picked. Okay, I had no idea. I don't even know Allison. Okay, so Allison Simmons. Here we go. You ready, Allison? Here we go. Whatever it is, times $5. Here we go. All right, come on. Here we go. Let's see who's ready. I love my wheel. Let me tell you that. 5 times 1. Oh, $5. Allison, you get $5. That's awesome. All right, I had somebody on the last one win $50. You guys want me to give away a couple more? Dean, are you okay if I do a couple more?
Yeah. Let's do it again. Sarah says,
let's do it again. Okay.
Warren says, do it again.
All right, let's do it again. Dean, I want you to ask a question that you share content all the time with your customers. Think of a question that maybe like your wife's name or just be creative. Think of something that your customers would know that they have to pay attention to you on the webinars. What would that be?
Okay, so who is our CEO? Who is the CEO of? Who is the CEO?
Who is it? Yeah, there it is. Dan. Keep typing it in. Keep typing. Adam is. Hold on. All right, hold on. I'm going to close my eyes. I close my eyes forever. Who knows that one? All right, that person. Who's that? Dirk Mueller, my buddy Dirk.
Dirk!
Yeah, that's awesome, Dirk. That is so awesome, dude. I like Dirk. All right, let's see here. Dirk Mueller. Dirk, are you ready, buddy? Here we go, man. We're spinning it. Let's see. 5 times whatever lands on. Let's hope for 20. Let's get the 20. Come on, Dirk. Let's see what you got in you, buddy. All right, here it is. Here we go. There's the 10. There's the flag. There's the flag. There's the flag. 25 bucks. Right there you go, Dirk. Yeah, Dirk gets $25. That's so awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, I just appreciate you so much. Let me just stand back here. I appreciate you so much for taking the time today to be on this webinar. It really means a lot to me. I'm very proud of my team and how hard we've worked. Man, every time I get emotional about this. I'm extremely proud of what we've done here, and to be a part of your company and your business. I take that very seriously, and I just really appreciate you, Dean and Dan, for allowing me to come on here. And I just look forward to the ride with you guys. It's going to be exciting, and just keep an eye out for the emails. We're going to do the trainings after the launch, ends on the 3rd. Of course, July 4th, I'm going to take off with my family for Independence Day, and then we're going to do the training on Thursday and Friday. Free training. There's no selling. I'm not going to be selling anything. We're just going to go through and we're going to train, show you how to make money with this stuff, and just have an awesome time. So, Dean, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the webcam here. And
okay, it was good. I love the fact that you threw on the webcam, man. This is getting around to everyone.
That's great. So thank you guys so much. I'm going to bounce, okay, Dean?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, you all, listen to me now, okay? Because we only have a few minutes to go ahead and get in before this price raises. Jamie is actually leaving because the price is going to raise. There is my webcam. Hey, everyone. Hope you are doing well. So listen. Okay, I need to get everyone in right now. Everyone in, if you have been waiting to get in, if you need a link, okay, for either the front end, which is running $37 right now, for the next like 5 minutes until we change that price, okay? If you need the front end, all right, let me know. Put a me over in the chat box. If you need any links, so we have the front end running $37 right now, one time $37, okay? We have the DropMock partners, which is the front end all-inclusive. You are going to help them build it. How many templates did he say? Over 2,000 templates. Crazy numbers. Absolutely crazy numbers. That is running $47 a month. That is going to jump up in a few minutes, right? Or we have the one-time purchase, okay, of the store. Now, the importance of that store is this. Now you don't have to. When people say, hey, what do you offer? All you're going to have to do is give them the link to your store. You no longer have to break down all of your offerings singly, and you can take all of those bonuses and all of the bonus templates that we're actually giving you and put them in your DropMock store for sale, also making thousands of dollars, okay? Thousands and thousands of dollars. The one that Jamie is talking about will actually start the 5th of July, okay? So I need the front end and the partner. Let me know what you need right now before these prices go up, because they are going. Our countdown is right now. Let me know what you need right now over in the chat box. What I am going to do is I am going to do this. Over in the chat box right now, okay? What I am doing is I am putting all of the links right there, okay? All of the links right here over in the chat box right now. You have those links. So you have the front end for $37 one time, okay? You have the DropMock partners, $47 per month. All of the templates you're going to get, you get a back-end access to their development team. You are partnering with DropMock, okay? So it's not just all of the templates that he's throwing at you. It's actually being able to be on their calls and say, hey, I think that this template would work. or this is needed, you're going to get that access for $47. And that's something that no one is doing. We don't even do that. And last but not least, $97 one time is going to be your superstore, where you can take links and send those links to individuals, okay? And you can have all of your products put up there, all right? All of your products put up there. Yes, it is, okay? So they're giving you 2,400 templates, all right, on the partnership. 2,400. Can you believe that? That number is so crazy. Now, let me do this over on my screen right now. Let me show my screen, okay? Let me actually show my screen. So let me go through the bonuses, because we love bonuses. Now, to get these, you have to give me your transaction ID along with the actual product that you made. So don't just copy and paste the transaction ID. Give me the description and the price also, so I can make sure that you get these bonuses, okay? I'm going to get these over for you. Okay, so let's run through the bonuses. All right, on the front end, our front end exclusive, it's not even on here, okay? What you are going to get is you are going to get one kinetic template a month for 10 months, okay? So you're going to be able to sell this kinetic template. You are going to get one a month for 10 months, all right? Over $2,500, actually $5,000 worth of templates, because normally we would sell those for $500 a piece. You can actually go and sell those from anywhere from $500 to $750, okay? So that is going to be that. Now, for OTO1, all right, OTO1, which is going to be DropMock partners. Now, remember, you got to get in the front end and then do the OTO1 to get these bonuses. What we are going to give you is we are going to give you 5 additional bonuses, okay? 5 additional. If you have Go or VideoRemix, doesn't matter. We are going to give you electrician. We're going to give you home remodeling, locksmith, veterinarian, and event planner. Now, these are exclusive. They are not coming out. You are not going to see us sell them. This is only for DropMock. Only for DropMock, okay? So that is your bonuses for the OTO1. Right now, you all got to get in before this price goes up. Now, OTO2, we're going to double it up. So if you get into the store, what you are going to get is you are going to receive 3 bonus kinetic templates, okay? 3 bonus kinetic templates, which you can see right here on my screen. Now, all of these are personalized templates for you, exclusive to DropMock. No one else is going to have these. They are not going to be sold later on. You're going to get that, but also we are going to give you personalized training. And what I am going to show you is how to put these packages together, okay? How you're going to put, I got my little calendar. I don't know if you all saw this, but on our page, our Facebook page, I actually showed you what you're going to do for a 1K package, a $2,500 package, and a $5,000 package. So what you're really doing is for $97 one time, right? For $97 one time, I am going to walk you through how to put these packages together that are going to sell for $1,000, $2,500, and $5,000, okay? So this is all the bonuses that you have. And also, what I am going to add on to this is I am going to add on 5 projects, all right? And, okay, who wants a special bonus right now? Okay, over in the chat box, give me a $sign if you want a special bonus. Okay, special bonus over in the chat box. Okay, over in the chat box, special bonus only for you all. I didn't even give this earlier because I didn't even know about it. I felt so when my boss told me. What we are going to do is we are going to give you Facebook ad videos, okay? Facebook ad videos. We are going to add 3 Facebook ad videos to your bonuses, okay? We are going to add those Facebook ad templates to your actual bonuses right now, okay? But you have to go ahead and get inside immediately. We do not have any more time before pricing is going to go up. If you are still trying to get in right now, give me a me over in the chat box right now. If you are trying to get in, you don't want to miss this. This price is about to go up. I believe the pricing that you are getting right now is the rock bottom pricing. That's why Jamie left, to upload the pricing. So I don't want you to jump in our inbox and say, oh, I missed out. I am giving you every opportunity to get in right now before they go. All in clearance, need your transaction IDs. Make sure that you send your transaction IDs over in the chat box. If you are having any problems, let me know. Put a me. Okay, so we got a lot of people that are trying to get in. I put it over in the chat box, but let me send this over to you again right now, okay? Because we got to get in immediately. I'm sorry that it has to be like this, but that's why Jamie left. Let me give your, all right, boom. I'm hitting everyone up that put me in the chat box. How you get in the video remix? Contact our support. I will send that over to you. Simon, need your transaction IDs. Go ahead and get in right now, everyone. Terrell, I am sending those over to you now, my friend. Terrell, you gotta get in, buddy. You know how this works. Terrell and I are friends, man. I love me some Terrell, man. I love all of you all equally, but all right, so link again. I am trying to get that link to you. Simon, come on, go ahead and get in before this price goes up. Aaron, I need your transaction IDs along with what it was that you actually purchased, okay? I need that. I'm in. Gotcha, Hugh. Gotcha in. You sent all of them. Aaron, I already got you. You sent them earlier. Aaron, I got you. Now, also too, okay, what we're going to do is after you all get in, everyone who got into OTO2, which is actually the store, you should receive on this webinar right now, you should get the link, okay? You should get the link for our special bonus training, which is happening this Monday. All right. I didn't want to make it far away. It's 1 p.m. Eastern time. It will actually be recorded. So if you miss it, you definitely want to do that. But you got to let me know when you are in. You need the main link. Okay. Simon, the main link is on top. Okay. Sarah got all 3 products. So thank you so much. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you. So, Sarah, I think that you put your transaction IDs there, but I want to get everyone in before this price. And then what I'll do is I'll send you those links out. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Got you in, my Clarence. Aaron got you in. What's different? My other 2. Okay, Aaron, we'll figure that all out. Okay. You can contact support about that if you think that there's going to be a little bit of an issue. I'll give you the support information right now. Yes, Clarence, I got you. Okay, I got you. But didn't get a transaction ID on the 37. Sharon, I don't know what that is. Check your email, Sharon, just to be sure. Okay, check your email on that. Okay, Hugh, awesome, awesome, awesome. Sharon, check your email. Let me know about that transaction ID so I could get that over to you. Is anywhere got free FE and OTO1 already up the transactions? Nice, Jack. Got you in before that price goes. Who is still trying to get in right now? I feel so bad because we got to get this in before it all done. Oh, Rick, why did you not get the store? Make sure that you all are getting the store also. Commercial license, got you, Terrell. My browser does not accept the link. Try in a different browser, Raphael. Try, sent you an email. Please review it. Okay, Michael, I will check that email after this is all done. I'm trying to get everyone in right now. Who is still trying to get in right now? I'm going to try to talk to Jamie. Hey, don't raise that price just yet. All right. Already have the store. Good. Did get the store. Good. I want to do but not go to the payment button. There is no way for you to do that in any way individually. Okay. We are only doing the payment button. Rosman. Okay. I apologize for that. Okay, you know what? That Gary, that's something that we could actually check. I don't want you to be worried about that. You could let support know. I totally appreciate that, my friend. That is very, very good for you. But I am more concerned with you getting in and making sure that you're getting these rock low prices before the prices goes up than making sure that it shows up for us, okay? So, Fusion, DropMock store twice. Steven, contact us and support. What you do is just go to JVZoo, check your transactions. If you did, you'll let us know, and then that will be refunded to you. Do you go to the third product and get everything and skip the first two? No, you do not, Hugh. You go to the first product, and then you decide whether you want the second, and then you decide whether you want the third, okay? Or you can do it backwards, but you definitely want to get into the front end. I have to go. More than welcome, Gary. You have a great day. You all want to hear something funny? I have been on webinars since 10 o'clock this morning. 2 webinars today. 2 webinars that have lasted absolutely all day. So 10 to 4, you all. Man, I am so happy that you are getting. The store is above is missing the word store. Not sure about that. Let me send that over to you, Rick, just in case. Nice, Terrell. Right, I got to JVZoo PayPal. Hurry up and get in. I do have 2 APs for it. Steven, go ahead and get in. I'm good to go. Also, Rick, gotcha, my friend. Awesome, 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 awesome. Doing it now. Okay, Simon, let's go ahead and get in. Checking email on the 37. Gotcha. I'm ready to rock. Yes, you are ready to rock and roll. Come on. Anyone else before while I'm holding these prices? I want you to get in. Who's trying to get in now? Let me know. Dane, I will get the partnership bonus. I sent up through the partnership through Jamie yesterday. Awesome. Awesome that you did that. That is really good. Dirk, I got you in. Nice, nice, Steven, got you in. My question, please. William, let me know your question. There's been a lot of 222s and 777s and everything. I just probably missed it, okay? I probably missed it. I have all 3. Me on OTO1. Nice. Gotta go. Have a great one, Sarah. Listen, I'm trying to hold this price for you all. If you're going to jump in now before it goes up. Jamie is raising that price as we actually speak. So I need you all to get those transactions in. Did you get me in? Bruce, I believe we have your transaction IDs, my friend. If you sent them, I definitely got it from you, Bruce. Good seeing you, by the way, Bruce. Always good to see you. Love you on our Facebook page, my friend. And we're going to have to do an interview soon. You've been giving some nuggets out there, okay? You all have been giving some nuggets, okay? Okay, let me send the support to you. Okay, Aaron, just put that in the chat box. All right. Can I send my transaction IDs to your email? Yeah, why not? No one sees this chat box though, okay? But you can send those over. You are more than welcome, Aaron. Just sent that over to you. All right, Sharon. Sharon is in. Sharon is in. Sharon, I love Sharon. What I love about Sharon, and I want everyone to be like this about your business. If you don't understand something, ask, okay? Don't just jump into things that you don't understand, because we put so much effort in selling this stuff, and a lot of people would buy it and they're just like, oh, I'm just gonna buy. And then next thing you know, they're like, oh, I don't understand this, and they want a refund, which doubles our work. So we wanna make sure that this is actually going to work for you, okay? We don't want you to purchase it if it's not going to work for you. And the way that it's going to work for you is you can't just make the purchase and then not do the training. You have to go through the trainings. That's what makes it all connect together and solves that puzzle. So you definitely want to do the training. Jamie's throwing one. I'm throwing one. Dude, it's everything that you truly, truly need. But above and beyond, and the reason why I'm going to promote the hell out of this product is for my video remixers, we talk about all the time of having a full toolbox, having everything that we need, because once our clients come to us, once they trust you with one thing, they're going to want everything else. So I love the Instagram, love the live action. Now you don't have to pay for videos because they have the live action. You get so much in this Fusion package. And remember, it's one time, which is kind of crazy. It's one time. You are more than welcome. So I just want to get everyone in. Stan, please contact me about that and we will do it. Is anyone else need to get in right now over, or you're trying to get in? Put hold over in the chat box right now. Put hold over in the chat box if you are trying to get in right now. Hold over in the chat box right now if you are trying to get in right now. Awesome, gotcha. Hold, Muhammad, you gotta, Rosman, you gotta hurry up. Hold, okay, gotcha. Send bonuses. Yes, Sharon, those bonuses are going to be sent for you. Sharon, let me know if you actually got into the OTO 2 in the store, okay? So listen, this is what we're gonna do, because I gotta give these bonuses out, okay? I gotta give this OTO 2 bonus, all right? Because all of you all need to be on this training. So over in the chat box right now, if you got OTO 2, if you were into OTO 2, I'm going to trust you. Put OTO 2 over in the chat box right now so that I can send you, okay, so that I can send you the link for this bonus webinar before you even leave. Put OTO 2 over in the chat box now so that I could send you this webinar bonus, okay? OTO 2 over in the chat box. All right, OTO 2, awesome, awesome. OTO 2, all right, boom, sent, boom, sent. William, you're in, okay? Friend, you're in. Rick, you're in, okay? Ah, Gary, I love that. I love that, okay? Oh, that one, Randy, that one is a good question. Okay, contact support, right, Randy? Okay, contact support, and I'll try to work that out for you. Okay, I don't want to say yes just yet because Dan actually runs that. So let me contact support there. Okay, I got you in. Herb, got you, my friend. Sending over. Wow, look at all these people into that OTO 2. You all are going to love this training. Vincent, gotcha. Sent over. Lois, I'm sorry. Lois, gotcha. Oh, Hugh, gotcha. Sharon, sent over. Gotcha. Okay, sign up for that now so that you get those reminders. You are going to absolutely love this class. Steven, gotcha. Okay, Aaron, gotcha. There's your link. Terrell, my friend, gotcha. There's your link. Okay, all three, you are in. Okay, Simon, I need your transaction ID. You are more than welcome, more than welcome. Paul, okay, gotcha. Now, I do want, don't see my link. Your link should be in your email, Rick. Check your email to see if your links were emailed over to you. They're going to go to your PayPal, okay? All right, Kimberly. Now, if you all tell me, and I trust everyone here, but we're going to go through these transactions and make sure that everyone that signed up is actually in there because this is exclusive. So we're going to check it. I trust everyone here, so I'm not really worried about that. Go ahead and get in. We'll buy, need to reset my PC. That price is actually going to go up. How do I get the bonuses? Okay, so the bonus that we have right now, okay, the personalized training bonus I'm going to give you right now, you'll be able to contact support. They'll be able to give those bonuses to you, the other bonuses, okay? And I'm going to put that in the chat box right now. Okay, for your bonuses. All right, more than welcome. We'll buy OTO2. Okay, so do I have anyone else that is on hold or anyone that needs links? Let me know over in the chat box before we close this down. I can't believe I have been on webinars since 10. I fell asleep last night at 2 putting these bonuses together. I am so happy that DropMock is finally here. We are going to crush this for the next few days. I am so excited. Everyone who got in, hold, you have to hurry up. Can I get the training for DropMock? No, that training is only for people who purchase through us. This is an exclusive training, okay? You would have had to purchase through us to be eligible for that training. That's why it's considered a bonus, and it is an exclusive bonus for people who actually sign up through us. I am holding, awesome. Where are the links? The links are posted in the chat box, but I will send those links over to you. You want to get into the front end with commercial, $37 right now, okay? Commercial is $37. Your partnership with DropMock, 2,400 templates, also monthly calls. You'll work with their design team. They'll talk to you about new templates. They'll show you what they're doing. That partnership is running $47. Okay, so the front end is a one-time purchase, and then OTO2, which is going to be the store where you're going to be able to, it's a done-for-you store. You'll be able to sell all your items. That is going to be your OTO2. That is a one-time of $97. Okay, one time of $97, and those are in the chat box. Okay, those are in the chat box. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Got you, Gail. Good stuff. Yes, I will go over the bonuses for you. Want to make sure that everyone is getting in right now. What are the dates for the OTO2? That is going to be Monday, July 2nd, 1 p.m. EST, okay? And I'm not going to skimp on the training for you, all right? Hour and a half training. It will be recorded. You are going to love our training. Absolutely love our training. Order link is in the chat box. I am sending that to you privately. Will training be live? Yes. So training will be live. If you miss it, we are going to send it to you. We want you to pay for it. We want you to take advantage of it. So you are going to get a copy of that training. Yeah, you are more than welcome. All right, everyone. Before these prices actually go up, I want to make sure everyone is taken care of. Let me know if you need a link. Put me over in the chat box, okay? Put me over in the chat box. You are more than welcome, Aaron. More than welcome. I keep forgetting that I have my webcam on, so it doesn't even matter. I'm like, oh, you're welcome, Aaron, and then I'm typing it in the chat box. All right, so does anyone need me to hold for these pricing? Want to make sure that we got everyone in that wants to get in right now. I see you all registering for that knockout bonus. That is too cool. Absolutely, positively Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. All right. All right, everyone. Listen. Okay. Killer combinations. What you want to do is you want to have every element, okay? Every element at your disposal that any business would want. Small business, medium-sized business, or large business. You have that now. The Instagram ads, the Facebook ads. There are so many things, not even including our bonuses, and I am going to teach you how to put those together into packages that are easily digestible. It is not going to be hard. In my webinar this morning, I talked about this all the time. I believe in this concept, and let me show you all this concept, okay? This concept means a lot to me. KISS, what does that mean? Keep it simple, stupid. I love training that way. I want to keep things simple for you. When you complicate things, what happens is that people get over, like there's so much stuff that's going on and they're like, oh my God. So I like to keep it simple. So when we are putting these packages together, we're going to make them simple. And the great part about it is, and I hope that you all got into the store. Okay, the reason that I'm saying that is this. Okay, I see a lot of people that have gotten in, maybe they don't go for the store because it's the higher ticket item. But the thing about the store that makes it so awesome is that when we're putting these packages together, when you are offering someone a $2,500 or $2,500 or $5,000 package, they want to customize that package, right? When you talk about customization, that means that that's going to take a little bit of time to discuss with them, right? Well, not anymore, because you'll have the store, and what you're going to be able to do is send them the store and say, hey, listen, this is what you can pick out of. Okay, pick what you actually want, and they can customize it, and that's what people like, because they don't like products that keep you put into a box. So what you're going to be able to do on the store, you're going to be able to put your personalized videos on there. You're going to be able to put all your DropMock stuff is going to be on there. And then when you are putting these packages together, all you got to do is tell them, hey, listen, just go to my store, pick out 15 things, and we're going to put a marketing package together. Okay, $5,000 package, maybe it's 25 things. Well, I don't want to give it away how you're actually going to do it, but it's going to be so simple and so easy. And the biggest benefit of it is that you already are going to have a place where they can pick and choose that from. That's why I started with the store first, and then we went to the front end. So if you are not in the store, you definitely want to get in the store. And let me just go over, let me throw my webcam off really quick and just go over these bonuses that you all are going to get from VideoRemix, okay? The bonuses that you are going to get in VideoRemix. So our main bonus is going to be one kinetic template for 10 months, okay? So that is our front end bonus. Everyone who got into front end is going to get that, right? Now, our bonus on OTO1, so that is over $5,000 of templates, okay? Each template we normally sell for $500. For a DropMock, for this bonus, we are going to give you those. For OTO2, what we are going to do is we are going to give you 5 bonus Go templates if you have Go, or exclusive templates. If you do not have Go and you have VideoRemix, we are going to give you those 5 templates. All you have to do is contact support. They'll give you those links. Boom, boom, boom. You are done. Now, those templates are the best of the best. They are exclusive. We're not going to sell these. We are only doing these for DropMockers. So you're going to be the only agency out there with these. We have event planner, veterinarian, locksmith, electrician, home remodeling. Why did we choose those? Because they pay the most for advertising. Okay, electricians, when you have to call an electrician, you're paying $300 to $500. So every customer or every lead that you could get them, they're making $300 to $500. Home remodeling. Everyone knows that real estate is the hottest niche for video. So these are a personalized video for you. Locksmith, same thing. And the great part about locksmith is this, okay? Long time ago, if you wanted a locksmith, you open the yellow pages. You don't do that anymore. So now these locksmiths have to go online and do their marketing online, because who knows about yellow pages anymore? Veterinarian, the reason why this is so important, all of us, most of us are pet owners, and we know taking your animal to the actual vet is expensive. So we wanted to give you excuse me, big ticket templates, and of course, event planner, not just for event planners. You can also use this for events. Most businesses out there are throwing events. You change the wording around, you have that. So there is another $2,500 worth of bonuses from VideoRemix on top of that. Now remember, you can put these on your actual store if you purchase the store or have the store. Now, OTO2, our bonus, what we're going to give you is 3 bonus kinetic templates, okay, that actually go for kinetic. We're going to give you those, right? And then we are also going to give you the specialized training bonus, okay? The specialized training bonus, where I am going to break down how you are going to put this all together, how you're actually going to sell it. And I would tell you, I'm not, to be modest, I think that I am one of the best trainers out there. If you don't believe me, just go over to our Facebook group. If you all are not a part of our Facebook group, you need to join. We just did a LinkedIn class, and we're still working on a LinkedIn class also. Look at what you see for the LinkedIn class. It is absolutely positively crazy. The reviews that are on that, and I will put that over in the chat box for you right now, okay? I will put that on the chat, in the chat box for you right now, our Facebook mastermind group. So before we close out here, I want to make sure, now let me send this over to you, okay? Our Facebook group, make sure that you answer the questions. We ask some questions of you. Make sure that you answer those, or I will not actually accept you on there, okay? I will not accept, you will not be accepted unless you answer those questions. So before we actually, okay, before I actually close this right now, let me throw on my webcam. I want to tell everyone in here, you are on the right path. I am happy you took these first steps. You are going to see a immediate, okay, uptick in the amount of business that you are going to bring in. You are going to be able to open doors that you never saw open before, because you're going to be able to offer clients free things to get your foot in the door that don't take you a long time to be able to do. With DropMock, it's 3 minutes to put a video on there like Jamie showed you. With VideoRemix, it is even less time. It normally takes about 3 minutes to make a personalized video. So you're going to be able to offer those to get your foot in the door, and then you're going to be able to kick down the door with personalized video, okay? And also with everything from Fusion, from DropMock actually offers, okay? So I love you all. Thank you all for being here. If you missed out, you still have more chances to be able to get in, not at this price, but you have those chances, okay? Yeah, I wouldn't have to answer that. I have no control over pricing. If the pricing has actually gone up, it's actually gone up, okay? Can I send you the links? Which link do you want? Klaus, I sent over those links, but they are over in the chat box right now, and I will send those links over to you. If you have not been able to get in, you want to get in now before that price keeps going up. So I am sending that over right now, okay? Yep, you are in. Klaus, if you have those, you are absolutely good. Oh, you need the link to the webinar. Let me get that over to you right now, Klaus. You need to be on this training webinar Monday, 1 p.m. Eastern time, okay? So I'm sending you that link right now. Go ahead and register. All right, you all, I am closing this down. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for being on here. Have a great day, everyone. And of course, we thank Jamie from DropMock. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.